Hi guys, Mike here. Welcome back to Fourth Generation Renovation. I've got a little video for you here today. I'm just going to cover the insert for the transom that's going above the pantry door. I'm going to cover it with flywire and put it in the transom and then put the transom up in the frame. So firstly, I should mention this pine frame that's just a bit of what we call 2x1. It's actually 40 by 20. So it came out of, the story is it came out of 2x1 stock and the machine down to 40 by 20. So they tell me. So anyway, who cares? So I've painted it black. So obviously you don't want to see the pine frame. You can see a little bit of this, and you don't want to see it through the flywire, so I've just painted it black. So you get the black side, put it down. Now I've gone and bought myself a staple gun. So all I need for this job is my staple gun, and I've got 6mm staples in this because this is only thin, and some scissors. So pretty simple. I'm just going to fold this around here. Now I'm going to staple it on, then I'll trim the excess off. So, and in fact, what I'm going to do is staple it along the edge, not on the face. So I'll go ahead and staple along this side. Just going to pull a bit of tension in it. Just want to get this edge straight. We're not going to pull it. I'm going to put the staples in about 2 inches apart, or 50mm for us Aussies. So that was a piece of cake. So now what we're going to do, we're going to want tension now. So I'm going to stand it up like this, get rid of my chair, and I'm going to pull a good amount of tension and staple this. Now I'm going to pull the tension this time, instead of straight over, I'm going to pull it that way slightly. So good tension over, and then pull it along a bit, just so we don't get wrinkles. Now we'll just look at the grain and make sure that's pretty straight. Go along, do the same thing at this end. So a lot of tension and along a bit. We want to staple right on the end there. Keep pulling that tension as you work along. That's good. So now what we'll do is we'll just trim this down to the edge. So we'll just trim along, leaving a bit of meat for the staples to grip. So what I'm doing is I'm just holding it up and I'm just trimming with my scissors running along the timber, that gives you about 1/4 of an inch or 6mm from the staples. Get rid of that. Do the same on the other side. Notice I'm trimming this slightly different now. It's because I'm learning the whole time. Every time I do something, I'm going, oh, I might change up and I might do it from this other side now. Always thinking, always trying to make things easier on yourself. That's what the aim of the game is. You don't want to make life harder for yourself. There we go. So now, it's probably fairly obvious. Pull a good amount of tension here. And same as we did last time, pull it over and across. I have got a compressor that I could use to do this with the air one, but I don't want to get it out. This is always handy to have a hand operated staple gun. You might want to, oh, you could want to do anything with it. Alright, so now what I can do is trim with the scissors running along the timber again. And the reason I'm doing it on the edge and not on the face there is because I want to paint that, so when you look at it from the back, it hasn't got half a, it's not half lapped with the fly screen. So pull this side again nice and tight. And the good thing about this is there's not much stretch in it. So once you've got it tight, you're not distorting it, you're just pulling it till it's straight. Same thing on this end, pull it over and across slightly. No one wants wrinkles. Look at that. Like a drum skin. And that is what we want. Trim this off again. Get rid of that. There we have it. I'll go and get the transom now. Alright, now when I made this frame, I made it 3mm smaller than the rebate in here. So it should be a push fit. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, look at that. And then for the unveiling, beautiful, look at that. That's come up superb. So we'll go and we put it up in the frame and see what the final result is. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just push this into place for the moment. I know it's a good push-in fit, and then I'll go along and I'll put some little cleats along the back later on. This is just to make it look a bit more presentable for the moment. Oh, it's a little bit loose. There we go. Now I just took it back out, guys. I want to show you something that I didn't mention. Around the edge I've done a rebate. That rebate is 3mm and it goes all the way around, and what that does is that gives it a gap all the way around. It looks like it's a door with that will open and close. So it's actually going to be fixed in place, this one, but it'll mimic the gap that the other transoms have because they're movable. So no one will know any different and it'll look correct. So just a bit of a close-up to show you guys, and see that gap that I was just talking about all the way around? It looks like that would open up, but it doesn't. Another thing I want to show you is the double flutes. See, they go along the frame in between the transom and the door, and they also go around the transom. And that's just a bit of a Victorian touch there with the double flute. Could be Edwardian, I don't know, but it's kind of an old antique furniture touch, which I liked, so I included that. But there you go, once those rosettes go on there and we get the door all done, which will be next week, it'll look sweet. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one.